Hey everyone, what is up? Louis Vlogs and Games here. Welcome back to another new video on the channel. Welcome to vlog number 119 of the vlog series, back in Cornwall once more. And today we're going to be going down the road over to the giant slip and slide that we've been to last year, and just want to find out if it's any different compared to last year. Bringing a few other mates with us, so that's going to make things more exciting. Get a few more clips as we bring the GoPro with the headset on and more battery on it, thank God. Because the last time that we tried to do a video with the GoPro, only one clip, that's it. That was literally it on the GoPro. Luckily, we should try get some more today, as we were just making our way on the A392 over to the giant slip and slide, and we'll meet you there in just a few moments. There it is, we can just see it up ahead. Not normally at its current location. And here we are at the unexpected change. Well, here we are then, we have made it to the giant slip and slide. It's the same as before, but it's been moved recently. It's now located right near a dual carriageway instead of being on top of a hill going down towards the sea. It's completely different seeing it here, but it still looks the same as usual. We're still going to have all the family members coming over, but they're just coming from Padstow now. They should be here in a few moments. And once we're all here, we'll get ourselves checked in, booked in, and then we'll go down and spend a good hour here.
You look incredible, my love.
Apparently, I did have to borrow a fiver just to buy myself a new scuba outfit because, as usual, we keep forgetting everything that we bring. But we're going to get the hour of fun started now, going down the slides numbers of times with a few of our mates. And I just noticed that the water isn't really that clean, to be honest. I cannot blame Giant Slip and Slide for this, because I know the weather was rather crap recently. However, this was only my first go going down the slide, and it feels like it's going way quicker. I think they put more of a downhill slope on this. I thought it'd be a good time now to get the double doze out now, or I would like to call it the number 8, as we're now going down in pairs from now on. So first off, it's me and Hazard going down, but unexpectedly Adam decided to jump on while we were going down the slide. Yet we got so far, and we've got so close to the end, just stopped by an inch away. Back at the top now, where we can now see Oliver and Monty both going down at the same time. While they're going down, I believe it's now time to get ourselves set up to go down as a big group. But how far did we get? Not even halfway down. The rest of it now is all in big groups going down the slide, so this requires 2 number 8s to accommodate most people. Thought we would also bring Phil and Andy down this one, and now let's see how far we can go. But then moments later, the number 8s disattached and we're falling apart. Then was separated, and then it stopped before we even reached the end.
Oh, there we go.
And here's the next attempt. Alan is also coming on this one as well. And looks like these number 8s are getting much bigger as we go down on them. This time, let's hope we actually get to the far end. And we are already going quick. With that, we've made it to the end, all falling over each other on the dirt water. Definitely need to get a shower on the way back, that's all I know best. But then we notice time is about to run out here, so I think it's good timing now to get everybody on board for 2 number 8s and all go down together, as this will be our last ride down the slide before the whistle is blown. And there we go, made it to the bottom a second time, and then the number 8 just collapsed at the end. Well, that's one way to finish it off, I must say. And with that, the whistle was blown moments later, and with that, our experience here is over. So, you now join us back at Trevonick. Just gone for a shower, had to wash myself because I was in that water. But however, we did had a fantastic time at the giant slip and slide. It was different, but it was still the same, and it was really good. One downside though, it was the water though. I can't really blame the giant slip and slide for that, because I know the weather earlier was rather crap, and we couldn't do anything about it. Nonetheless, an absolutely amazing week here in Trevonick, doing Bodmin Prison, meeting up with the lads, going golfing. Oh, it was fun, and going to the giant slip and slide, meet up with everybody that came with us. We could be doing all this again next year, or we could be doing something different, go to Monkey Tree, but it just depends on what we're doing next year. We might do something completely different or stay at the same place, as it is a very popular holiday camp for a lot of people, highest rating as well. But since we're now finished with all of our vlogging stuff there, this is where we're going to end off now. So thank you all so much for watching all these 3 vlogs. I really hope you all did enjoyed all of them. And if you want to see more like this, make sure to do like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, bye guys, see ya.